everyone. Welcome to Books and Babies. My name is Jenny, and we're so lucky to have Clark and Malika here with us to add music to our story time. And how about we sing hello to our babies?
Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. So glad that you are here. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. So glad that you are here.
Hey, welcome everyone. And how about we try our welcome stretch? So we'll stretch to the sides and reach up high. Take a deep breath and let out a sigh. Wiggle our fingers and wiggle our toes. Wiggle our arms and wiggle our nose. Great job. And now it's time for a bounce. We've got a new one. This is called Roly Poly.
Roly poly, roly poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, roly poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, in, in. Roly poly, roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, slow, 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 slow.
Yay, great job, everyone. And now it's time for our first book of our Let's Talk About Race story time. So we've got All the Colors of the Earth by Sheila Hamanaka. Children come in all the colors of the earth. The roaring browns of bears. Can you roar like a bear? Roar. And soaring eagles. The whispering golds of late summer grasses. Can you whisper? Shh. And crackling russet of fallen leaves. The tinkling pinks of tiny seashells by the rumbling sea. Children come with hair like a bouncy baby lambs. Or hair that flows like water. What is your hair like? Is yours like a bouncy baby lamb or flowing like water? Or is it curly? This page says, or hair that curls like sleeping cats in snoozy cat colors. Children come in all the colors of love, in endless shades of you and me. For love comes in cinnamon, walnut, and wheat. And love is amber and ivory and ginger and sweet. Like caramel and chocolate and the honey of bees. Dark as leopard spots and light as sand. Children buzz with laughter that kisses our land, with the sunlight like butterflies, happy and free. Children come in all the colors of the earth and sky and sea. Great job, everyone. Let's clap for that book. And today we're talking about our Let's Talk About Race kits. And these are kits that you can check out from the library. We have 4 different age groups, and we have 2 copies of each of those kits. So we've got one for babies, one for preschoolers, one for kindergarten to 2nd grade, one for 3rd to 5th grade. And each of the kits comes with a handy binder with articles inside and some additional resources. So one of the resources in here is a chart that brings us from baby all the way up to 6 and what they are understanding about race. So at birth, babies look equally at faces of all races. At 3 months, babies look more at the faces that match the race of their caregiver. So babies are already noticing noticing traits of the people around them. And so it's never too young to get started talking. And we have 10 tips for talking about race with kids in both English and Spanish, and a lot of additional resources. And then we have our 5 books for this kit. So we've got Shades of People with lots of wonderful pictures, and more, said the baby. We've got Anti-Racist Baby, Global Babies, and then the wonderful book that we just read, All the Colors of the Earth. And we have discussion questions included for each of our books. And we also have digital kits. So if the kits are checked out, you can go online and you can see read aloud videos of each of the books, and we'll have those discussion questions added into the record and links to our resources. So I hope you're able to check out one of these kits, and that they help you to have some great conversations with your baby or with students or with your friends. And up next, we have Do You Love Me? And this is the tune of Frere Jacques, and we'll just rock back and forth with our babies.
Do you love me? Do you love me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Forever and for always, forever and for always, I love you. I love you. Do you love me? Do you love me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Forever and for always, forever and for always, I love you. I love you.
Yay, great job, everyone. And now it's time for Akabaka Soda Cracker. So we'll do a little bit of bouncing and a little bit of lifting for this one. Akabaka Soda Cracker, Akabaka Boo. Akabaka Soda Cracker, up goes you. Akabaka Soda Cracker, Akabaka Boo. Akabaka Soda Cracker, I love you. Great job, everyone. And now it's time for Shades of People. And this is by Shelley Rotner and Sheila M. Kelly. And this has lots of great photographs in it, which are really wonderful for babies. Babies love looking at pictures of faces. Have you noticed that people come in many different shades? Not colors exactly, but shades. There's creamy ivory, sandy, and peach. There's coffee, copper and tan. There's pink, rose, and almond. There are shades of gold and bronze and brown. Some people have skin that is very dark, and others are pale, fair, or light. Our skin is just our covering, like wrapping paper. You can't tell what someone is like from the color of their skin. So there are lots of different shades of people in this on these pages. So how about we count how many kids we see? We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different kids on these pages. Even in the same family, there can be many shades. At my school, there are many different shades. It's hard to get the right shade when I paint. That is very tricky. I see lots of shades at the playground. And in the park. And at the beach too. I see even more shades when I'm in the city. Lots of shades everywhere we look. In the world, there's light and dark and everything in between. The end. Great job, everyone. Let's clap for that book. And now it's time for the elevator song.
Oh, the city is great. Oh, the city is grand. There's a whole lot of people on a little piece of land, and we all live together on the 57th floor. This is what we do when we go out the door. Take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, and we turn around. Oh, the city is great. Oh, the city is grand. There's a whole lot of people on a little piece of land, and we all live together on the 57th floor. This is what we do when we go out the door. Take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, and we turn around.
Hey, great job, everyone. And now it's time for This is Big. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Great job, everyone. And now it's time for Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Good night.
Great job, everyone. And now it's time for a shaker song. And I don't have a shaker around, so I just grabbed this container of peppercorns. So if you are like me and don't have a shaker with you, you can make one by grabbing something like the peppercorns, or you can put beans in a little container and make a little makeshift shaker. And now it's time for 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4,
Great job, everyone. And now it's time for our closing song.
Well, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Make us smile and wink an eye. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Make us smile and wink an eye. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends.
A huge thanks to Clark and Malika for playing such wonderful music for us. And I hope you're able to check out one of our Let's Talk About Race kits or visit our website and get to one of the digital kits. And I'll be sure to have a link for you. And we hope you all have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Have kits for 4 ages. We have, I think Elliot's like near. Oh, it's Ryan.
Sorry.
It's the Ginny and
Hi,
Ryan show.
Ryan. Sorry, we were muted.